Now is more important than ever to make sure that we adapt to healthy and safe cleaning practices within our homes. Stay tuned for quarantine cleaning tips with the cleaning lady.
Oh boy, I feel weak, I feel insane. I feel you all in my veins. I need you.
Hey everybody, it's the cleaning lady here, and welcome to my channel where we talk all things cleaning. Owning and operating a cleaning company has given me the chance to learn a lot, and I want to be able to share with you guys as much as I possibly can. Today I am here with what I believe will be a very helpful video for you all, considering the times that we're living in right now. About a month ago, I started offering a virtual assistance package to my clients, and I figured, why not come on here and give you guys some helpful tips as well. COVID-19 is real, but if we all do our part, we can come out of this stronger and better than we went in. Make sure you stay tuned until the end of the video for a bonus tip and a small surprise I've thrown in for you guys. Okay, for tip number 5, remember that cleaning comes before disinfecting. You do not want to be disinfecting over filth, so you have to make sure that whatever you are disinfecting, you are cleaning first, and that it's clean and dirt free from any debris or anything of that nature. Tip number 4 is make sure you have a good disinfectant in your home. I previously did a video on highly recommended cleaning products that are EPA approved and good disinfectants a couple days ago, so I'll be sure to link that video in the description box, and I highly recommend you watch it if you haven't already. I know the stores have been crazy lately with everything going on, so a DIY disinfectant spray or DIY cleaning product may be the best way to go. If you want me to do a video on DIY products and disinfectants, be sure to leave a comment in the comment section. All right, for tip number 3, consider having maybe some house shoes or some slides right by the door, so when you come inside from coming home from work or coming home from the store, you can take your shoes off at the door and put on some slides or house shoes that haven't been outside at all. That way you're not bringing any debris, germs, dirt, or anything from outside into the comforts of your home. Tip number 2, if you're a person that likes to keep disposable gloves in the home, make sure that before you put your gloves on, you are washing your hands thoroughly. Once you put your gloves on, be sure to take them off properly, and when you take the gloves off, make sure you wash your hands again. That way you avoid cross-contamination, and you also are not putting filthy hands into gloves and allowing germs and filth to be on your hands. I'm going to show you guys how to properly put on and take off the gloves. Okay, so when putting on disposable gloves, like I said, make sure your hands are clean, wash them the proper way, and then you want to go ahead, put the gloves on just like this. And once you're done cleaning, you want to go ahead, take one off, take the other one off, ball them up inside out, and dispose of them in the trash. That way, anything that you touched on the outside of the gloves is not on your hands, and then you're gonna wash your hands again just to be safe after you take your gloves off. Tip number 1, when cleaning and disinfecting, you wanna make sure you're focusing on the areas in your home that you frequently touch the most, okay? So for those that watch TV, that's gonna be your remote if you play games, your game controller, your door handles for sure, light switches, things of that nature. Be sure to focus on those things when disinfecting, because they're gonna be the ones that track up the most germs and the most dirt during the... I do realize that not everyone has the time to plan or to create a schedule or a cleaning schedule, or even a chore list for their kids or things of that nature. And now for my bonus tip, I want you guys to keep in mind that I understand that, you know, cleaning is something that doesn't come naturally or easily for everyone. I'm very big on making sure that I can help out my clients. And in a sense, you guys are my virtual clients as well. So I want to, again, want you guys to keep in mind that I understand cleaning is not easy for everyone. Make sure you have some type of schedule or plan for cleaning within your home, whether that be, okay, once a week I'm gonna be sure to clean. I'm gonna pick a day, whether it's, you know, Fridays if I'm off on Fridays, or Mondays or Sundays if I want to start the week with a clean home. Be sure to set up a plan and a schedule for your home, okay? Anytime you have a plan or a schedule with anything in life, but it's specifically cleaning, it helps you to stay consistent in that thing. That is actually where I come in because, like I said in the beginning of the video, I offer a virtual cleaning assistance package to all my clients. And I want to actually offer that to you guys that are watching here today. If you feel like, you know, with everything going on, whether you're an essential worker or just being quarantined in the house, it's hard for you to create some structure when it comes to quarantine cleaning and being sure to disinfect properly, I want to take on that job for you. Because you watched this video and because you are subscribed to my channel and you like this video, I am going to offer the first 10 people to shoot me an email. I will link my email in the description box. I'm going to offer the virtual cleaning assistance package for only $15 to the first 10 people to send me an email. So you do have to be subscribed to my channel. You do have to like this video. But because you watched this video entirely, I am going to offer you the package for a discount. But be sure to act fast because I'm only going to offer it to the first 10 people to reach out to me. I want every one of you to make sure you stay safe and stay healthy during this time, and do whatever you need to do to be sure to keep germs and viruses outside of your home. That's it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and until next time, peace.